Imagine biting into the most creamy, cheesy, and flavorful chicken lasagna you've ever had. But there's one unexpected twist that changes everything. This is not your average lasagna, and trust me, you do not want to miss this. Oh, and if you're a lasagna lover, don't forget to grab 20 free lasagna recipes at chefcrown.com/lasagna. All right, let's get started. For this ultimate chicken lasagna, here's what you'll need. Juicy chicken breasts, seasoned to perfection. Mozzarella and ricotta, because what's lasagna without all the cheese? Perfectly cooked lasagna sheets, soft but not mushy. And of course, a secret ingredient that will take this dish from great to legendary. Any guesses? Stick around. First up, let's season our chicken. A little garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, and a touch of olive oil will bring out the best flavors. Oh, now into the pan it goes. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of pure deliciousness. Give it a good sear on both sides until it's golden brown and juicy. Look at that! Tender, juicy, and bursting with flavor. But wait, we're not done. The secret ingredient is coming up soon. Now for the heart of this dish, our creamy, dreamy sauce. Start by melting some butter, whisk in flour, then slowly add milk until smooth and velvety. And then, the magic happens. Cheese. Lots of it. We're using Parmesan and Mozzarella for the ultimate creamy texture. Now mix in that cooked chicken, coating every single piece in this luxurious cheese sauce. But wait, something's still missing. That secret ingredient. It's almost time. Enjoying this so far? Imagine having 20 more lasagna recipes for free. Grab them now at chefcrown.com/lasagna. All right, now comes the fun part, layering. Start with a generous scoop of our creamy sauce at the bottom. This keeps the noodles from sticking and adds that rich, velvety base. Next, lay down those lasagna sheets. No need to pre-boil them, this sauce is gonna work its magic. Now spread that juicy seasoned chicken over the pasta. This is where the flavor starts stacking up. Now for the cheese, lots of it. Dollop on some creamy ricotta, then sprinkle a generous amount of mozzarella and Parmesan. For the final touch, add one last layer of pasta, smother it in that creamy sauce, and top it off with a mountain of cheese. And here it is, the twist that changes everything. Just before baking, we're adding lemon zest. Bake this at 375 degrees for 40 minutes until it's golden, bubbly, and absolutely irresistible. And when it's done, just look at this masterpiece. This is perfection. Creamy, cheesy, with that zing from the lemon zest that takes it to a whole new level. Try this chicken lasagna recipe and let me know what you think. Want more lasagna recipes? Get 20 free recipes now at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Don't miss out.